Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can download one image from Midjourney. Now before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So for those people who are new and they do not know what Midjourney is an AI which can create image by the command you give. Whichever thing you type over here, it's going to create the image based on the text you give it or based on the description of the image you give it. Alright, that's what Midjourney is. Now let's say you want to download one image. Let's say there's 4 images just like this, but you only want to download one of it. In that case, what you have to do, now before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, and hit that subscribe to our channel, and let's move on. So let's say there's 4 images like this. In order to download one image, first thing it's going to give you U1, U2, U3, U4. U1 is this, U2 is this, U3 is this, U4 is this. Now let's say you want to download U4. You can click on U4 and Midjourney will generate a U4 image over here. But since I don't have the premium version of Midjourney, it's not showing me over here, but whichever option you choose, it's going to generate the image separately over here as an individual image. And once you have an individual image just like this generated, the rest is pretty simple. You can just right click on the image, click on save image, and then choose where you want this image to be saved. Click on save and the image will be downloaded on your computer just like this. But you have to have a premium version of Midjourney, as I said. But that's how we guys can download only one image from your Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.